They're waiting for you, Gordon.
Science team? You think he was responsible? Sabotage, maybe?
I suspected this could happen, but the administrator just would not listen. The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
How long the system can operate at this level.
Aw, crap!
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this.
God.
The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments. Nothing you need to worry about, Gordon. Go ahead.
No, Hey, Doc!
We got him. Let's kill him now.
A fellow scientist. Don't shoot! I'm with the science team! Do you know who ate all that?
Outside for questions.
Bastard!
Anyway, find the body. Body? What body?
That ain't for the head, alright?
Come on, get in.
But I'm not waiting around for it. Let's get that. Doc! Doc? Doc? I'll come.
What is it, Michael? I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor. Are you all right? A voice module is one of my special features. Don't you think you should pre-program me in the event you don't return? I'm ready, Michael.
Laser-guided rocket weapon acquired.
Uh-oh. I've got to get back on my ship. Not a moment too soon.
Power assist movement activated.